Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make Photoshop CS6 icons bigger. Let's begin. Go to Shape tool, right click, custom shape tool. Okay, now see this shape drop down menu. Click settings and now see this small large thumbnail. Again click setting, small list, large list. Okay, then select any shape, color. Example red plus press enter, hold shift click and drag it. Okay, again press Ctrl T, hold shift click and drag on your mouse. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.